Good afternoon. Beautiful Friday, spring day in Chicago. Another advanced appraisal tip for you today. We're talking about property tax appeals. I know this can be a scary thought, scary endeavor for homeowners to look at, but it doesn't have to be. A lot of people think that you have to hire an attorney to do this, and you don't. You can, by all means. If you're not comfortable with it, go ahead and hire yourself an attorney, but you can save yourself a lot of money by doing it yourself. The only two people who can file a property tax appeal in the state of Illinois, at least, is an attorney or the owner of the property themselves. So, uh, you've undoubtedly gotten something in the mail that says, here, I'm a property tax appeal attorney, can save you thousands of dollars, and they can. But you can do it yourself and save yourself even more money. So generally what happens is, and we're going to use this example of $12,000. What happens is um, a property tax attorney will tell you we can save you $12,000 over the next 3 years. And the reason that it's 3 years is because property taxes are assessed on a 3-year cycle. So an attorney will say, okay, we can save you $12,000 over the next 3 years, and they're going to charge you roughly $4,000. And the reason that is a property tax attorney um, will charge you 30 to 33%. Now, what people don't realize is that an attorney can charge you whatever they want. They can just they charge you based on what the outcome of your appeal is. So they're saying, okay, we think that we can save you this $12,000. We're going to charge you 3,600, roughly, 3,600 to $4,000. For round numbers, we're going to say $4,000, right? Now, an appraiser is bound by law to not. They can't charge you based on the outcome of what the value of your property is. They have to charge you one flat rate. So they can charge you based on the size of your home and, if it's a unique home and things like that. But they can't say, oh, your house is $1 million, so I'm going to charge you $1,000 for your appraisal. They can charge you based on other factors, as I said, square footage and uniqueness and things like that. But we can't charge you based on the value of your home or what the outcome of your appeal is and things like that. So let me get back on topic here a little bit. But so the attorney is going to charge you roughly $4,000. Now, what happens is that attorney is then going to, in most cases, go and hire an appraiser, such as myself, to do the appraisal on your home, and they're going to file that appraisal with your appeal as evidence as to why your home is worth so much less than what the assessor is saying that it is. Now, the reason they do that is because in property tax appeal law, the number one piece of evidence that you can submit is an appraisal. Okay. Now, you can do that yourself and save yourself a ton of money. Now, again, for round numbers, we're going to say that property tax appeal appraisal would cost you $500. Now, you can go and order your own property tax appeal appraisal, pay the appraiser the $500, go and file the appeal, file the appeal, submit the appraisal, and have a very similar, if not the same, outcome that it would if you hired the attorney. So instead of paying that attorney the $4,000 that they want up front, you're spending $500. So you're saving $3,500. And I don't know about you, but I sure like to have $3,500 in my pocket for the next year or 4 years, or 3 years, or whatever the case. $3,500 can go a long way. So that's our our advanced appraisal tip for the day. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like us on Facebook so you can get more advanced appraisal tips regarding your property and your home. And you have a good afternoon.